Hi, I'm Dr. Katy Nelson, and I'm a proud parent to a 3.5-year-old little boy and a little girl to be. I'm also a proud pet parent, and I want to help you to be the best pet parent that you can possibly be. So today we're in my friend Amy's backyard, and Amy is considering getting a pet, and she wanted to know if there is anything out here in her backyard amongst her landscaping that might be dangerous to her pet. So we have to think, is she going to get a dog? Is she going to get a cat? What is she going to get? Well, she hasn't really made up her mind which one she wants, so we're going to kind of do an assessment for both. So walking through here really quickly, we have to think about all the things that are out here that our pets are going to potentially want to put in their mouths, because we know that that's one of the favorite things that a dog or a cat does, is they look at something and they want to sniff it or they want to taste it or both. So looking around right here, we have an azalea bush. These are beautiful in the spring when they bloom and they're beautiful pink flowers, but this is actually something that can cause some pretty severe gastroenteritis in a dog. So now just walking by and snatching a leaf is not going to make your dog sick, but if your dog was to chew on one of the stems or ingest quite a few of these leaves, this could definitely be something that could involve a trip to the animal emergency room where you'd be coming to see me. We've got some more beautiful plants out here. These are some lilies. Lilies, again, are gorgeous. They are all over the place. They're in flower bouquets that you're going to have inside. They're going to be in some pots that you have inside sitting in your kitchen. But lilies are something that are very, very toxic to kitties. Lilies can actually send cats into renal failure. So this is definitely something that if Amy's considering getting a cat, I would have these gone out of the yard, because daylilies can be very, very toxic to your pets. Another thing that a lot of people have in their yard, whether it's in a pot or something like that, is something called a sago palm. It's a nice decorative plant. That's another one that can actually be toxic to your pets as well. So there's a fantastic place where you can visit on the ASPCA website. It's got this humongous list of toxic plants. So before you plant anything or before you bring your pet into your backyard, make sure you go there and visit that list and just kind of look around and see what you've got out there. Thing that we're going to talk about is grass. It's something that pretty much every suburban backyard has some of, at least, if not a lot of. And a lot of people call veterinarians' offices every day to ask, my dog is eating grass, is this okay? Is this a sign of something horrible that's going on within his gastrointestinal tract? My answer to that is not necessarily. It can be a sign of nausea. If they're eating a lot of it and they're bringing it back up, then definitely that could be something that's going on. You might want to talk with your veterinarian about having your dog seen for that. However, most of the time, it's really not that big of a deal. If they're just having a little salad for brunch, then not a problem at all. But you do have to remember that if you're using pesticides or fertilizers, things to help make your grass nice and green and pretty, then that's going to be something that you're going to really want to discourage your pet from ingesting. So once you know what your pet is going to be doing out in your backyard, then make sure that you're using only the best products for you, your kids, as well as your pets.